So I ended up buying the Samsung Smart Monitor M7, the top of the line, biggest, most expensive model that I could get with it. This is my second attempt at getting it. I ordered it through Best Buy. The first one that I bought was an open box because I was cheap. I learned my lesson because when I got it, it was super cracked up, just like this was. And I decided, you know what, I really want this monitor and I want it to work. And I ordered a brand new one. And instead of doing an open box one, I decided to just get something that was totally brand new. So here I have it hooked up now that I got the brand new one. And all I did was plug in the power cable to it. Nothing happened. I called Samsung customer support. They couldn't figure it out. I called Best Buy. He was able to figure it out. And somehow it was able to work for a moment. That was before I had it on its stand, and now that I have it completely set up over here at my desk, it is deciding not to work. So here you can see that it's going through power cycles. My laptop over here is just going through charging, not charging. It's connected to something, maybe it's not anymore, and nothing's happening. My MacBook Pro 2018 is hooked up to this monitor via USB-C. It's supposed to charge it. It's supposed to also act as a display panel for it too and everything, and I am just super frustrated that nobody's able to figure out why this is happening. But it is going through a power cycle of turning itself on and off, whether it's hooked up to a computer or even nothing at all. And all I'm hearing is like a clicking sound in the back of it, and I'm just beyond frustrated. And I just thought that this would be something that maybe someone else is experiencing. And if so, then let me know what you were able to come up with that was able to work. Because I would love for this thing to work. Otherwise, if I still can't figure this thing out before the weekend, I'm going to have to go back and return it. And then I would have my second replacement. And that's not something that I want to do, but I'm going to do it. Otherwise, I might just have to end up going with something else. But this is my experience so far with the Samsung Smart Monitor. Real smart.